Okay, hi everyone. Okay, video number 4. This is going to show you how to put your avatar on an image using Pixlr, Pixlr.com. When you get to the website, you're going to see these two options. I use Pixlr Editor, I don't use Express, although Express has some cool stuff, but it won't let us do what we're trying to do here. So we're going to launch the web app. And then we are going to open up the background image and the avatar just like we did in the other programs. With PicMonkey, you actually do it as a overlay though, so this is a little bit different. So we're going to open image from computer. This sort of mimics Photoshop. It's a little bit, I like this one. I like Canva. I don't particularly like PicMonkey. I just have never gotten into that. All kinds of things I don't like about it. So I'm opening up these. Once I have my avatar, I'm going to go to Edit, Select All, Edit, Copy, then I'll click on my Facebook cover image and I'll edit, paste. You can use keyboard shortcuts, of course. So you'll notice that her shirt is the same color as the background. I don't necessarily think it's very good, so we're going to add a shadow. But let's resize her first. So let's go to Edit, Free Transform, and hold the Shift key and drag this bottom corner up. So it kind of shrinks to the center, so you just have to guess and then you can kind of move it around. So I'll put her at the bottom, even though when I make her a little bigger it's still gonna, oops, sort of tilted her a little bit. I didn't mean to do that. So when I have her the way I want her, I just hit enter and then I can, oops. Okay, you cannot do arrowing up on your keyboard, up and down. It'll cut off her feet. So let me start over. It's good that I did this though so that you can see. So you can always go edit, undo if you screw up and you can, sorry, mess up. So let's do Control T. That's going to get you your controls, whether you are on a Mac or a PC. It doesn't matter. It's Control. So like that, just drag her up a little bit. As long as she's got the little boxes, the little points around her, you can drag her off the screen and back and she won't get cut. So there's that. Now over here we've got our layers. Let me go ahead and scoot my layers palette over. One thing that I don't like about Pixlr is this add on the right hand side, and sometimes it gets in the way of your tools, so, or your palettes. So over here, same thing as in Photoshop, there's a background and there's layer 1. You can also double click, name it avatar. You can turn on and off your avatar. So what I want to do is add a shadow to her. So I'm going to make sure that my avatar layer is selected, not my background. And down here there's this little star, and this is your layer styles. This is like a where all the fun stuff is. So I clicked next to drop shadow. You'll notice it's sort of a harsh shadow, and I don't really like that style very much. It kind of depends on what you're trying to do. Some people like it. So what I'm going to do is make the size from 0 to about a 10. I really like 10 actually. And I'm going to bring my opacity down to 50. And I think that's actually pretty good. So now I'm just going to click OK. So there she is. Now her shirt no longer blends into the background. So that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to show you another thing. Now we're going to do File, Save, because we are going to save this image. Facebook cover image, Pixlr. And I'm going to choose, well, you could do a PNG. Okay, so you'll see there's a JPEG. You can drag your quality slider over. This is 111 KB. Or you can do a PNG, which is full quality. That's 156. So I'm just going to save that. And then in my browser downloads, that's fine. So I'm saving everything. And then I'm going to also save these layers. So Pixlr lets you save your layered files as well. So let's go back into File, Save. Choose our little format drop down, and you see this layered Pixlr image. It's a PXD. so you can save this down to your computer. So I'll hit OK, and now I will have this file in my computer. So if I want to go and work on it again, I can. So I don't need to save the image because I already did. Don't need to save this one. So now if I wanted to open it again, I can go here and see I have this Facebook cover image, Pixlr PXD. I can open it up and there's my layers and I'm back to where I left off. I don't have to start over like if it was PicMonkey. So that, my friends, is Pixlr. I absolutely love Pixlr. You can also do different things. I mean, I'll do more trainings on this, but I'm going to try and stay focused in Photoshop because people that are serious about their business will want it. But you can change the opacity of things. You probably wouldn't do it with your avatar, but you could put text and make it lighter, things like that. Make some fun textured backgrounds using that opacity slider. So that's just a little tidbit of extra information that you really didn't need to know, but probably could use to make some fun things. So I guess that's it for this video series. I showed you how to do Photoshop, PicMonkey, Canva, and Pixlr.